Hey guys, I'm going to show you a different way to update your car. So if you need to update your stuff, just go right into your settings, go into your Wi-Fi network, and then hook up to whatever is your house Wi-Fi. So in my case, this one, I just put in my passcode. But once you're connected, just tap on it, and you're going to see this down here, automatic downloads. And I can just go on and press those. So I can turn that on from here, because we can also do that from preferences, but that's kind of a quicker way to do it than from preferences, which is down here below, because we could turn it on from here as well. But I do suggest turning these on and having your car just update by itself. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.